Hi, welcome to Easy Thai Dish by Manie channel. Today I'm gonna make fried fish topped with 3 flavor sauce. This dish doesn't have to be spicy if you don't want it spicy at all, but I make it spicy because I like spicy. You can substitute chilies with something else, but if you want to know what you can substitute with, you have to watch this video because I will tell you later in the video. So let's do it. So my apron is down there in the kitchen, so let's go down to the kitchen. Okay, see you there. You can use any kind of fish of your choice. We always have salmon, so I'm gonna use salmon this time. You can pan fry the fish or deep fry, it's up to you. After you're done with the fish, you just take it out of your pan and put it aside. Chilies, any colors. Thai chilies would be best, but I don't have them. We're gonna make the 3 flavor sauce to top over the fish. You can substitute chilies with onions or red onions or shallots if you don't want any spicy at all. Cilantros. Lots of garlic. Add chilies. You might want to put some ground pepper, either black or white ground pepper, and salt. And cilantros. For the sour part, we're gonna use the tamarind juice or the tamarind soup base mix. You can get this at the Asian market. Once you open the container, you have to put it in the fridge. You can keep it for a long time. Just add a little bit first because it's really sour. Fish sauce, always. Palm sugar. You can use regular sugar if you don't have palm sugar. So I want to add the dry chilies for the color because I don't have the red Thai chilies, the fresh ones. Taste it to see what flavors do you need to add more. If it's not sweet enough, you can add more sugar, either palm sugar or regular sugar. Add a little bit of water. If you need more sour, you can add more tamarind juice. It's not salty enough, you add more fish sauce. Now the sauce is done, so put over the fish and decorate with the fresh cilantro on top. It's done. Enjoy the meal. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.